Lyon, France. A 2,000-year-old city situated at the junction of the Rhône and Saône rivers, Lyon rests below the impressive Fourvière and Croix Rousse hills. In Lyon, visitors can take a unique journey through time and across cultures by strolling down its narrow streets, crossing its traboules, narrow secret passages, walking along its bustling docks, passing through its impressive squares and seeing over 200 sites illuminated at night. Not to be missed in Lyon, Roman theatres and old Renaissance Lyon, Fourvière, Basilica and La Croix Rousse with its silk-weavers'workshops. Cultural life, biennial art festivals, national opera, dance, theatres, national orchestra, museums, fine arts, Cinéma-Lumière, Textiles, Gallo-Roman civilization, Musée, des Confluences, illumination scheme. Over 200 sites are illuminated each evening. Shopping, fashion, antiques, markets, squares, gardens. Lyon's gastronomy forms its small traditional cafes to its fine dining restaurants. Lyon along the Rhône and Saône, boat trips, quays, riverbanks and bridges. The vineyards, Beaujolais, Côte Rôties, Côte du Rhône. Experience Lyon during a weekend exploring the city and its art of living. This package includes 2 nights in a hotel, 1 Lyon city card and a meal in a traditional Lyon restaurant. Lyon city card gives access to 28 tourism activities including museums, guided tours, boat trips, April-October, concerts, travel on public transport as well as reductions and special offers. Prices start from €150 per person.